everything you need to know about the oscillating multi-tool, all in one video. Stay tuned in. If you don't have the oscillating multi-tool in your toolkit, if you're a contractor, DIY, or homeowner, you're really missing out, because this is arguably one of the best tools to have in your tool pouch. Because this, unlike a regular saw like this, where you have to set everything up and then do your cuts, you just pull this out, make your cuts, and boom, you could cut through wood, you could cut through any material of your choice. But not just that it could cut everything, but it's extremely versatile. You see, with the oscillating multi-tool, you can, let's say, cut it in a direct, you can move the blade like this and it'll still cut. See, look, for example, right here, we could just angle it a little bit, let's say to right here. Let's say, for example, let's put our battery in. And you could still make a cut like this because it oscillates back and forth. You could put it in any direction and it'll still cut like this. For example, you could cut, let's say, a pipe, PVC, copper tubing. Where the multi-tool really comes in handy, great bang for your buck, is where you have nails sticking out, especially if it's on a 2x4 or it's in an odd area. Can't exactly do that with a regular saw. This is obviously not going to do a job, especially in a tricky corner. You're not going to cut anything. It's not going to get anywhere. You're going to get dust everywhere. A reciprocating saw is also a little shaky. It can rattle things up and cause a lot of ruckus. With the oscillating multi-tool, that's not exactly the case. It's, if you want things smooth, you don't want to destroy anything nearby, you want a good smooth job, that's where the oscillating multi-tool comes in handy. You could just cut off the nails, cut off any screws. If you're working fast, you need to get the job done and you don't have time to be unscrewing all these screws, or let's say you have a stripped screw, again, that's where the multi-tool comes in handy. Just saw off all the screws, all the nails, and get back to what you're doing. How do you adjust the speed of which the blade goes, the oscillating multi-tool? This is the highest speed setting. And that's obviously the lowest. I mean, for example, if you want to cut through metal or very hard materials, it's recommended to use this tool specifically. The max setting is a 6. Put it at a 5 or a 4. Different tools have it at a 10. Put it at 8 whenever you're cutting through hard materials such as metal, so that you could preserve the life of your oscillating multi-tool and the blade. But as far as the speed dial, and this tool specifically, it's right here at the end. Other tools, it's in the middle. The oscillating multi-tool is just such a great tool, but cutting through all the materials you want, like wood, fiber cement, sheetrock, plastic, metal, hard metal, PVC, and all the materials you want, is just not possible without the right blade. Yeah, sure, there are other blades out there that you can get, but they don't really cut through all the materials. Some cut through wood and nails, others cut through only wood, like this one, for example, but it doesn't cut through nails. And then there are others that say that cut through metal, but then they don't cut through other materials such as fiber cement. So then what's the point? Just have one blade like this one, our high strength carbide oscillating multi-tool blade that could cut through everything, all the materials that you need, all in one blade. Just, that's what the oscillating multi-tool is for. But without the right blade, you can't make the best use of your oscillating multi-tool. Check out our link down below. Check out our website where you can find this blade and cut through all the materials you want and that you need to do. If you're a contractor, DIYer, home remodeler, or a homeowner, this tool blade will do the work of hundreds of blades all in one.